Hey everybody, I'm Gokul from Restoration Brokers America. There's a lot of talk going on inflation and what is happening in the market, right? So let's give you a quick report, a quick rundown on what Q2 looked like and what we can look for in the future. Four parts to my quarterly update. So let's get going. Labor shortages. So this is a theme that we're seeing in certain markets around the country where we have the jobs, the claim volumes are up, but we don't have the people to do the jobs. And what that has been doing in the fourth quarter of last year and the first 2 quarters of this year has been putting downward pressure on profits and sales of companies. So there's a couple of companies that we have in our portfolio where we've had buyers ready to buy, we've had an offer on the table, things have been negotiating, but unfortunately because of the labor shortages, the revenues and the profits of these companies have gone down. Doesn't mean to say that we cannot sell it, it just means that we're not in the right season to sell it, right? So what we are doing is waiting for the labor shortages to kind of ease up, and as the revenues start to come back up again, we will see some of these trends start to disappear. The second trend, buyers. Buyers are pricing in higher interest rates, all right, and the uncertainty in the economy. And what we're seeing there is two very different markets. So what I want to talk about is, let's talk about businesses that are valued $6 million and under, right? So we are already seeing pricing challenges there, right? Buyers, when they are buying and they're going to third-party banks or their financial institutions to borrow money to finance the deal, the cost of that money has gone up quite significantly. So we are seeing a downward pressure on prices, right? So at our firm, we're seeing an average of about a 7% drop in prices compared to first quarter. So if someone paid you $1 million, they're paying you 7% less right now because the cost of their capital has gone up. Cash injection requirements have also gone up, right? So the banks and the financial institutions are requiring buyers to come up with more cash to the table. Interest rates hike, about 40% of buyers are saying right now that interest rates hike are impacting their ability to purchase a business. So that's what's going on in the 6 million and under market, right? So if your business is valued, let's say for 6 million and up, surprisingly not seeing any effect at all in valuations and what the buyers are wanting. But I think it's temporary. I think it's just taken longer for that market to catch up. So I'm thinking maybe first quarter, second quarter of next year, we will probably see some of the capital requirements and things of that sort become tougher and more headwinds for private equity buyers and national buyers, and some of the prices will start to come down. A lot of buyers are looking at companies that are high quality. So let's call quality of a business low, medium, and high, just to make it simple. Last year, if you had a medium quality business, there were still a lot of buyers out there willing to take the risk, thinking that they could come in and improve your systems, improve the staff, etc., and make a go of it. Right now, we're seeing the buyers kind of shy away from that. So they're going for a huge flight to quality. If you got a real quality business, you're actually going to find more demand now than you did a year ago. Let's talk about buyers. Recession-proof is really popular right now. So when we surveyed our buyers, about 40% of buyers right now are looking for recession-proof businesses with steady cash flow and a reliable workforce. And so a lot of people, this is when restoration shined, even back in 2008 and 2009, when we had incredible headwinds in the economy. Essential services, and we are one of them, really shine. So if you got a really quality business, your prices are not coming down 7, 8, 10%. You're still getting a decent price as you would first quarter of this year or the fourth quarter of last year. So if you got any questions about the market that I did not cover in this report, feel free to reach out and I'll be happy to hop on a call with you.